welcome back to my channel, Haitian Dining with Marie. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. I miss you guys and I'm so excited to be here. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make white bean sauce, also known as sauce poivre. But before we get started, please hit the subscribe button below and let's get started. Here are today's ingredients. 1.5 cups white beans, 1 tablespoon kosher salt, 2 scallions, 5 garlic cloves, parsley and thyme, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter. In this pot, I put 7 cups of water, let it boil, and put the beans in. I'm adding scallions and garlic. After the beans have been cooking for 1 hour 15 minutes, I'm going to blend half of the bean and leave half on the pot. Next, I will strain the beans to remove the particles. I will pour the blended beans back into the pot. Now I will add the rest of the ingredients, including butter, parsley, thyme, and salt. In a separate pan, I put the oil and some scallion, let it fry until golden brown, and put it in the saucepan. I added half teaspoon of white pepper and let the bean sauce simmer on medium-low heat for 20 minutes. This is the final presentation. Voici la présentation finale. Bon appétit! Thanks everyone for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below on what Haitian dish I should do next time. Thank you. Bye bye!